Ragini ma'am is speaking.
Ma'am, the voice was not coming.
Hmm.
You can start.
May I request all of you to keep mic on mute? Kindly keep your mic on mute. Ina, please take care of that part. My namaste, Hari Krishna, and good evening to each and every person present here at Unique You at the rate Kuch Baatein Zindagi Ki. Life always remains like a roller coaster. It gives us all joys, sorrows, adventures, challenges, and if you are passionate towards it, it is beautiful. You know, someone says, if you are beautiful, it's a God gift to you. But if you make others' lives beautiful, it will be your gift to God. So, this is how there are some people, and I can say we all, that we are born with some uniqueness, some talents with us, which need to be revealed. And today we have many dynamic personalities with us, and we would be revealing their uniqueness. We 3H Companion is an organization aims at helping and guiding individuals as if answering their problems about work, life skills, and management with 3H, that is head, heart, and hand. It doesn't teach, just live its thought, and the intensity changes others. Love, respect, patience, good laws, and fair justice are the best instruments. It believes in working together and succeed with integrity, develops education by empowering students, parents, and teachers socially, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and professionally through workshops, sessions, and training programs with the vision to create passion, compassion, and more smiles. In 2007, it is tapped with almost 50 members, those who want to learn, sing, and rock beyond books in 3 months to develop personal and spiritual skills. With a mission, each one teach one. It has now risen to thousands, small steps of each member from different place and profession made it a big contribution in the field of humanity to create a difference in self and others' lives. With constant feedback and inspiration socially and globally, on social side, it seems as the word is its family with connections, cultivation, and contribution. Our learnings are beyond books and syllabus we enjoy everywhere from games to cinema, outings and visiting Balwadis to bring smiles to them. Tiffin talks, rain clap, generator clap are often enjoyed. All are free to showcase their talents. Learning with music, mime, and dance are used as therapies. Games like carom and snake and ladders are enjoyed to learn risk factors, leadership, and managing skills. SAM, that is stress anger management, mistake, cheese, boost, water drive, we enjoy the most. We prefer to connect rather to simply contact. A hearty welcome to all of you in this world of wonders. Today, at this unique platform, we have a very unique personality who always motivates oneself, herself, as well as others by saying, yes, I can, you can, and we can. That is none other than Ambassador Achi Queen Dr. Elizabeth Lucas Afolalu. She is the award-winning author, entrepreneur, BA in business and management, international inspirational speaker, global advisor, youth, women and relationship and mindset mentor. She has been recognized for her contributions to humanity and community and has been awarded certificate of recognition by many. She has been featured on national press such as Financial Herald, Fox News, ABC News, and NBC News. Small Business Trendsetter Magazine, Oakens Group USA Magazine, Victorious Life Magazine, Powerhouse Global Magazine, and local on-churn newspaper. Became Secretary of the Year in UK. So she has not left any stone unturned in with respect to media, newspaper, news. She is a founder of Elizabeth Creations, Time with Elizabeth, Lucas Radio Inspirational Show host, and Yes, You Can, International Inspiring, Empowering, and Mentoring Youths, Women and Family, individually, locally, and international. Happily married and mother of 2 children. My goodness, what are accolades here, achievements here, hard work, dedication, lovely. So put all of your hands together to give a big round of applause to HE Queen Dr. Elizabeth Lucas. Lovely. Now, another dynamic personality. We have Miss Ragini Bhatnagar. She is principal at Modern International School near Sahapura, Jaipur. To address her more about her more accolades, about her achievements, her awards, I now request Ina ma'am to take the journey forward. Ina ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, Anchaldi, for inviting me on this forum. And it's a pleasure to meet so many people on this platform, so beautiful people on this platform. So I would welcome all our audience today who are there, along with our guest of honor, Dr. Lucas, and also Miss Ragini Bhatnagar. It's a pleasure. We have already met her before, and it would be an amazing session today. And it's my honor and my pleasure to introduce her to all of you. Although you all know about her, but on the social media, many people are not aware about her. So now onwards, I think everybody will know about her. Yes, at present, Ms. Ragini Bhatnagar is working as a principal at Modern International School near Sahapura, achieved Best Progressive Principal Award, and so many awards for school, also for innovative practices in rural area to run an English medium school. In India, we actually require a lot of innovation in the rural areas. Kudos to you, ma'am. She's a certified motivational trainer, also have conducted sessions on good parenting. She's a counselor also and helped many students to achieve their goals. Recently, she has written an autobiography named Shukriya Zindagi. It's an inspiration for so many people who lost their hope for happiness in life. And yes, she is a cancer survivor too and believe in self-motivation. Welcome on board, ma'am. It's great to have you here.
Thank you, Raji. Thanks for this wonderful introduction. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's our honor and our pleasure to have you on 3H Companion and also Unique You program, where you will speak your heart out.
Thank you.
So over to you, Chanchaldi now.
So it's my, I have to start.
Just a minute, Ragni ma'am. Thank you, Ina ma'am. Once again, you just brought lots of smiles with all your praiseworthy words for each and everyone. Ragni ma'am, since you are on limelight, and this is also true that we have heard about, that you are a running principal with lots of principles running in you as well. So first of all, we would like to hear from you about your principles of life and how do you take life, either it is make it easy or take it easy. So over to you now, Ragni ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Chanchal ma'am. First of all, thanks to you to give me this opportunity. And I'm thankful to my students also. You can see so many students are also there. So they
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
listen me. So I will use mixed language because some parents are also there.
No
So
problem, ma'am.
मेरी
Yes,
लाइफ
please.
का एक ही जो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है और कुछ अलग ही अनुभव किया है। मैं जब पैदा हुई थी तो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, मेरा पूरा आधा चेहरा कटा हुआ था और उस समय डॉक्टर्स ने ये कह दिया था कि मैं नहीं बचूंगी और पढ़ना तो बहुत दूर की बात थी। पर उसी वक्त एक डॉक्टर जो अमेरिका से आए थे, उन्होंने मेरा ऑपरेशन किया और धीरे धीरे आई एम थैंकफुल टू माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो दैट उन्होंने मुझे संभाला और उसके बाद मैंने आईज मेरी बिल्कुल डॉक्टर्स ने कहा था काम कर ही नहीं सकती हैं और कैन यू बिलीव माय राइट आईज इज नॉट वर्किंग टिल नाउ it's not working but according to you can say God gifts, so I just able to do everything in my life. My principle is there, so don't afraid of anything. Whatever you think you have to do, जो आपने सोच लिया है वो करना है। हडल्स आएंगी लाइफ में, सब कुछ होगा, लोग भी आपको डिमोटिवेट करेंगे। मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मुझे एक प्रिंसिपल की पोस्ट मिलेगी, कभी भी नहीं सोचा था। जिसके लिए ये कह दिया गया हो कि पढ़ना ही नहीं है, पर मैं सब कर पाई और इसमें सबसे बड़ा सहयोग मेरा परिवार, मेरा बेटा, बहू, मेरी ग्रैंड डॉटर और मेरी बहनें जो अभी भी शालिनी भटनागर, मीनाक्षी भटनागर, सीमा भटनागर, मेरा ब्रदर शिव, मेरी भाभी ज्योति, सब यहीं पे जुड़े हुए हैं। मैं सबका धन्यवाद देती हूँ, मेरी मदर का भी, कि मैं बहुत 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 ग्रेटिट्यूड है मेरे मन में उन सबके लिए कि मैं आज इस मुकाम पर हूँ। मैं अपने बच्चों को भी यही बताना चाहती हूँ कि आपके अंदर कोई भी फिजिकल अगर डिसेबिलिटी है या आ गई है या किसी वजह से भी कुछ हो सकता है, तो कभी भी ये नहीं सोचना है कि हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते। अगर आपने मन में ठान लिया तो वो काम आप जरूर कर सकते हैं। यू कैन डू इट। यस, आवर गेस्ट आल्सो, यस, शी इज देयर, so I can just really admit this कि we can do if we just, जैसे जिद करना है उसी तरह से हमको ठान लेना है कि ये करना है तो करना है। और स्ट्रगल तो आएंगे ही। मेरा एक ही वो रहा है कि टाइम से काम, प्लस दूसरों को कभी भी दुख नहीं देना, उनका कहना सुनना और उनकी बात को वेटेज देना, ये एक मेरा असूल रहा है। और जो मैंने अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखी है, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी, मेरी सिस्टर मीनाक्षी भटनागर यहाँ है। जब लॉकडाउन में आई वॉज वेरी डिप्रेस कि एज ए प्रिंसिपल यूज टू थी कि स्कूल जाना है पर नहीं जा पा रही थी। शी टोल्ड मी कि एक अपने बारे में लिखिए आप। सो जस्ट आई स्टार्ट राइटिंग ऑन व्हाट्सएप, आई स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग टू हर एंड फॉर आफ्टर सम टाइम माय बुक वाज पब्लिश and it is my autobiography because I want to just tell this, everybody should read because my life is really really very very uncomfortable, but my parents, my family made it very comfortable for me. And my students also, they are very very honest, they are very much, I want to tell you, my school is in a rural area. It is near Shahpura and only our school is English medium there. केवल हमारा स्कूल ही है जो इंग्लिश मीडियम है अप टू 12th स्टैंडर्ड। और आप सोच सकते हैं कि पेरेंट्स को भी कभी भी कोई इन्फिनिटी कभी नहीं है मैं आने देती। आज भी आप देखिए बच्चे यहाँ हैं, जबकि ये उनके खेलने सोने का टाइम होता है, पर दे आर हियर टू हियर मी। सो एवरीबडी हैज अ पोटेंशियल, एवरीबडी हैज अ अपॉर्चुनिटी। हमको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर मिलती है तो ले लेनी चाहिए, जैसे मैंने अपनी लाइफ में ली है। और सब होता गया, सब अच्छा हुआ, मैं प्रिंसिपल बनी, मैंने पढ़ाई भी की है, एंड मैंने एमए तो अपनी बस की जर्नी में किया है. I just started take my books and thank you, because from Jaipur it is 80 kilometers far. My school is 80 kilometers far from Jaipur. So I did it. After that, I thought that I have to do the MEd also. So I did all the studies during my journey. And after that, when everything was all right, everything was going on well, and I was principal in 2 or 3 schools. It was very renowned, and I have just gone through with all the good books, and I have attended some seminars also, good seminars. And what I have learned, learning never ends, never ends. हमें सीखते ही रहना है. सब ठीक चल रहा था, सब अच्छा चल रहा था, बट उसके बाद मुझे पता पड़ा कि मुझे लंग कैंसर हुआ है. The symptom was only cough. Cough was there, and then, but that time also I was not afraid. And I want to inform you, it is my request to that, just please mind it that I am not having any chemo, only my self command, my motivational command on me. I love myself, and I feel gratitude to everybody. I want to tell, this is my view, my complete belief that if you feel gratitude to everything, हमने सुना है लोग कहते हैं हमारी किस्मत में यही था, ये नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ. मैं कहती हूँ कुछ भी था, सब बहुत अच्छा था. जो दिया है, I am very thankful, and daily it is my routine. In the morning I just do this to give the gratitude. My sister Shalini Bhatnagar is doing a course, and she it is called Jadoo, like this. So magical Jadoo. It is only gratitude we have to tell every time. If we thankful to God, we thankful to our family, that whatever we have to thankful for that. It is the one thing like magic that we have to do, and we will just see the miracle. आप देखेंगे कि
So,
चमत्कार
yes.
गुरु बोलो कि मन
Ina ma'am, kindly take care.
Please unmute yourself.
May I request all to keep yourself at mute, otherwise you won't be listening to all the magical resonations here, right? So keep yourself at mute. And Ina ma'am, you please take care of this, that whenever we need to speak, we will unmute, but other than that, you keep muting. Because children are here, so we need to take care. And it's really, really
Deep,
Ma'am, your
please
voice was-
unmute yourself.
I'm overwhelmed with your words, with your story, because it somewhere resonates with mine. I'm a self-built person. All graduation after my father's death, all graduation as well as other part of the study, we have completed somewhere, here or there.
Chanchal ma'am, there is Lavjeet ji, please request you to keep yourself on mute. Yes, Dee, you can continue.
So this is wonderful listening about your story and the real gem, that is love, gratitude, acceptance. What we have, we need to enjoy, we need to love, and just do wonders. And you are doing that. You have your right eye may not be working, but आपकी मन के अंदर जो आंखें हैं वो इतनी सुंदर है कि वो सब कुछ देख लेती है.
Thank you, thank
And
you.
that's the
Actually,
beauty here.
मेरा चश्मा भी अलग तरह का बनता है. This is the thing. It is no, just simple पे नहीं बन सकता. It is so that something is going on.
Lovely, ma'am. Now we would like to hear from Dr. Elizabeth. As Ragini ma'am said, yes, I can. So we would like to hear from you, Dr. Elizabeth, about your foundation, Yes, I can, we can, you can.
Good afternoon. It's afternoon now in Great Britain. Raining over here, stuck in the car. So everywhere we can enjoy, everywhere we can speak, everywhere we can do anything we want to do. First of all, I want to say thank you very much for having me over here. I count it all joy. And I appreciate the organizer, the president, the chairman, and everybody. All our great speakers. I'm looking at our beautiful faces, all our children, the students, every one of us here. You are all welcome. And let me first of all say something to our children. You are special. You are unique. And the greatness is in you. So, yes, I am Dr. Elizabeth Lucas from United Kingdom, the founder of Yes You Can International, the award-winning author of a book called Yes You Can. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a mentor, I'm an advocate, I am everything because yes, I can. Right. So I just want to use this time to just encourage every one of us here to let us know. I mean, like what I said before, it's raining here, but still I did not let that rain stop me in doing what I'm doing. The same thing will happen to every challenges we are facing in life. Every challenges, adversities, circumstances, situations beyond our control that we cannot control, but we can control ourselves. We can do what we have to do. No matter the situation we find ourselves, no matter what people say to us, especially in my own story, yes, you can. People told me I cannot mount to anything. In fact, they said I cannot study, I cannot learn, I cannot become, I cannot achieve, I cannot succeed. They even said I cannot relate. But guess what? I'm in a marriage of 29 years, so I did that. I graduated at the age of 50, I did that. And I'm still working, studying, developing myself. So if I can do it, every one of us, both young and old, female and male, we can do it. We can become and we can fulfill our dream. It just takes a time and it just needs a lot of determination and patience. It takes everything to put into it, to become, to achieve. But you need to be patient and you need to be determined. The reason why I said you need to be determined is that we cannot control the situation around us. We cannot control.
Dr. Elizabeth, please unmute yourself.
Somebody did that from there, I think. Right. Look at the COVID-19, what he has come to us. Nobody expected it, but it came. But guess what? We are still alive. And because we are alive, we can face tomorrow. And we are strong. They always say something. If a situation doesn't kill you, you are stronger, wiser, and better. Because we learn from our mistakes, we learn from our failures, and we learn when we fall down. So, and that is why it makes us to be stronger, better, and wiser. Don't be afraid of failing. Failing is just to show that you make attempts. And when you accept it, when you accept that failure, you learn from it and then you become better. Don't be afraid to make mistakes because we are going to make mistakes anyway. But the more you make mistakes, the more you are getting better, the more you are getting stronger, and the more you learn from it and you become wiser. They're always afraid of, oh, I can't relate. Relationship is the platform, the only platform on earth where you can demonstrate your love, where you can demonstrate everything you've learned. You cannot practice it in yourself, but you can practice it on others. So you are free to relate. You are free to love. You are free to achieve. And you are free to succeed. Nothing will not stop you. Nothing will never stop you, because you will be strong for yourself. You will be better for yourself, and you will be wise. So I just want to let you know that that is all what we Yes You Can are doing. Encouraging ourselves from all the situations we find ourselves, to turn our stories around, to turn our situation around. All the negativity, we turn it to positive. And all the impossible, we call it to it is possible. That's all what we are here for. So I personally do mentor to one-to-one to all our youth. I mentor them, I give them lives and hope that whatever they dream of, they can achieve it and they can fulfill. I also encourage our women. You know what we've gone through for many years, but it is time for us to rise as a woman. To rise, take your baton, rise up, because the world needs us. Our children need us. The generation coming needs us. But if we don't rise up and shine, if we don't rise up and get ourselves better, if we don't rise up and achieve, then what is the legacy we are leaving for our children? And that is why I am going everywhere with my team. And I'm telling them, you know what? We can do it. Let's bring hope for the hopeless. Let's shine our
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Ramdev ji, please mute yourself. All are requested to please mute themselves.
Dr. Elizabeth, please unmute yourself. Can you listen to me, Dr. Elizabeth?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Please.
Can you hear me?
Just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Give me 2 minutes. My dear attendees, participants here, kindly make sure that our mic shall be on mute when one person is speaking. This is your respect to that person. Please see that there should be no noise, because this life is all about noise, voice, and silence. And right now, because voice is there from Dr. Elizabeth, we need to keep it silence. Okay. So noise we will make when we put our hands together to make a round of applause for her. But before that, let her make that voice. Okay, Dr. Elizabeth, please.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you very much. It's just a matter of encouraging ourselves that we can become. Children, you are not too young to become a superstar. So you need to listen so that you can become what you want to become. You need to learn from others so that you can achieve your goals. You need to be quiet a little bit so that you can learn, and then you can also do the same thing I'm doing to others. Do you know that this health is for every one of us? It's for every one of us to enjoy. And for us to enjoy, we need to fulfill our dreams. For us to enjoy, we need to be stronger for one another. For us to enjoy, we need to love one another and also listen to one another. And I want to appreciate you now, even presently, that you are listening to me, because I'm your friend. I'm your friend. So if you don't listen to me, if you don't listen to me, you can't learn from me. So that is the reason why I am here to encourage you. Yes, You Can International, once again, empowers people. If you are doing business and you are at your crossroad,
Dr. Elizabeth, please unmute yourself.
or you are being confused, or you don't know what to do, we, Yes You Can members, we encourage you, we empower you, and we also guide you. That's all what we do, because we need to inspire one another in this world. No one is an island, and a tree cannot be a forest. So togetherness, we stand. Togetherness, we work together. And I want to seize this opportunity to praise all our teachers. If a teacher didn't teach me, I will not be where I am. One of my teachers, when I was failing in secondary school, you know what she said? She said, Elizabeth, you have greatness in you. Failing will not stop you where you are going. Only you have to believe in yourself. I took that word. Look at me today. I am reigning. I am enjoying my life. I am happy with wonderful family. You can do the same. Don't let failure discourage you. Don't let failure limit you. And don't let failure disturb you or even stop you in whatever you are doing. So I think I've delivered my message. Is that okay? Yes, you can.
Yes, ma'am, we
I
can
can't hear you.
Chanjaldi, please unmute yourself.
Well said, Dr. Elizabeth. And you have really created here the atmosphere of can, will, and must. And we must rock. We must accept our challenges. We never withdraw from any of the hurdle or any of our failures. But yes, we will take it as challenge and opportunity and face it with can, will, and must. Thank you so much, Dr. Elizabeth, for such motivational and inspirational words here. Now coming
And
back to
keep smiling.
yes, and that's what the wonderful smile you have, the
Thank
laughter
you.
you have. Laughter is the best medicine.
Thank you.
Ragini ma'am, coming back to you, like right now we heard from Dr. Elizabeth that teachers, they are the backbone of the society. If we teach, if we have one teacher, or if we can be able to make one teacher, we can teach the nation. This is very true, because teachers, they are creating wonders, building the foundation, the character of all the citizens, which would be future our nation builders. So Ragini ma'am, I would like you to elaborate more about it, that if we have all trained and successful teachers, what do you think? What will happen? Will our nation be successful? If yes, please tell us about some or the other ways and means.
Yes, Acharji. Just one thing I want to explain you. Training is okay. It is a degree, but what I realized and what I observed in my 20 years experience works. As you know that my school, again I am telling you, it is in rural area, but my all the teachers can speak English, and you can see the lot of lot of comments here from my students also. So they
Yes.
teachers are those who can make the students according to them. So degree is B.Ed, M.Ed, it is only the degree, but experience is required. And one more thing is love. If teacher love the student with honesty and with complete devotion, it works. Definitely works. If teacher saying, okay, I am teacher, okay, nobody CCTV is there, okay, CCTV is not there, okay, no problem. When principal will come, okay, we will see. So it will not work. And in pre-primary classes also, स्टूडेंट्स तो अपनी माँ समझते हैं बच्चों को। एक दिन अगर टीचर नहीं आती है, एब्सेंट हो जाती है, तो वो दूसरी टीचर से एडजस्ट नहीं होते हैं। तो जो उनका लव है वो एक डिग्री को अच्छी तरह मात दे सकता है अगर वो प्यार से बच्चों को पढ़ाएं। और जो कैन यू बिलीव, बच्चों को जो घर में जो पेरेंट्स व्हाट कंप्लेन कमिंग टू मी सो मेनी टाइम, मैडम हम कहते हैं तो बच्चे नहीं मानते हैं, और अगर टीचर कह देंगी तो वही बात वो जरूर मानेंगे। तो दिस इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द टीचर, दिस इज
Yes,
रियली वर्क्स टीचर।
totally agree.
हाँ, तो ये होता है हमेशा। अगर हम कहेंगे आप बेटा ब्रश करना घर जाके, तो वो करेंगे, मम्मी कहेंगी तो नहीं मानेंगे। तो ये टीचर का डिवोशन और टीचर का एक्सपीरियंस ज्यादा काम आता है डिग्री से ज्यादा। इट्स माय एक्सपीरियंस।
There is no doubt that love is 360 degree.
यस यस
A degree without paper
यस
that can make not only children but anybody can do
Yes.
anybody can do anything. So that bond, that connection between the students, between the parents, between the teacher is must.
यस।
I think there is some technical glitch on
चल जी हाँ।
Chanchal Dee's side. It seems like, yeah, absolutely right. Whatever I think Dr. Elizabeth has said and Ragini ma'am, you have said extremely good and beautiful points, I would say. Rather, it's really amazing that yes, if you nurture the children with love, I think a lot of things fall in the right place, like a puzzle. And we work on all the other things other than this love and care part. We miss on this part, especially in schools. Very rightly said, we do require learning, teaching and everything, but above all, love is something which should be given the topmost priority when we are training our children, teaching our children, and everywhere. Like mother does it, I think mother's first bonding happens because of this special term called LOVE. There we bond with the children. Absolutely right. And like Dr. Elizabeth said, yes, you can. At any age, any time, anywhere, with just a mindset is required, which we need to change. Usually we do not do the things. Now the age is gone. This is a very common thing what people come across, what I have seen. Now we can't do anything because we are 50, maybe we are 60. But rightly said, Dr. Elizabeth, at any age, you can achieve anything. And Ragini ma'am, you are such a motivation, such a motivation.
Thank you, thank you.
So many things you have survived and still you have come out as a winner. It itself is so amazing. And you give a lot of motivation. And the best part is you are smiling to, I don't know what to say, beautiful smile you have. People, when they go through a lot of tensions, they stop smiling.
Yes.
They say, oh my God, I'm in stress, I'm in tension, I'm not well. But look at you. You are full of life. Completely, I think anybody can take motivation from you. Whatever you go through, resilient back and come back in the manner you have done it. And so coolly you said, I can't see from one eye. If you do not say that, nobody can make out you are facing so many issues. You look so pretty normal like any other person. So I think this is a message across to all the children. Ki bachcho, get up, observe ma'am, learn so many things. And we can see so many things in the chat box also coming over there.
Yes.
They are praising you like anything. They love you like anything. That's the most beautiful thing, ma'am. I think that's the most beautiful thing anybody can earn in the life. This
Yes.
love and affection of your people who are near you, with whom you are connected to, maybe in school, maybe Dr. Elizabeth is connected to as an influencer. So anyway, the way you get connected, it doesn't matter where you meet, how you meet. Important is that you are connected. It's the bonding, which is very important.
Yes.
I think
Ira,
Chanchal
ma'am,
Chan-
I want to say one thing. My inspiration is sitting here. My sister Meenakshi Bhatnagar. She's motivational trainer, and I want to highlight my sister Shalini Bhatnagar is also there. Seema Bhatnagar. So Meenakshi Bhatnagar is motivational trainer in Surat. She's a woman
Great to
entrepreneur
have her
also.
here. Yeah,
So,
I've spotlighted her too. So she's on the screen as well with us.
yes, Shalini Bhatnagar
Thank
also
you
is
so
there.
much. Thank you so very much. No, she's an inspiration herself, Mrs. Ragini Bhatnagar. She has done a lot for the society, for her school, for the family, for everyone. So she herself is a big motivation. And thank you so much, Didi, for highlighting us. It's your love, that's it. Thank you so much. And Dr. Elizabeth, you were amazing. You were amazing. I'll definitely remember all your teachings. Thank you so much,
Good
Ina.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good
Thank
evening.
you so much.
Thank you.
Hi.
Don't worry, children. You can write down your questions in the chat box. I know you want to talk. You cannot sit for so long. You can write down your queries, your questions. You can ask Dr. Elizabeth. Anyways, you can ask here or from your Ragini ma'am as well. So you can write down in the chat box whatever question is coming in your mind. If you
Now,
want to ask, yes, Dee, we were waiting for you.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, actually, I apologize. There is some connectivity issue, and there's a reason I need to be out and again rejoin. But
But I am somehow little happy. You went
Yeah.
out, I got the chance to speak with all of them.
You are-
Good
you
afternoon.
you are always there. Whether I am here, I need not have to go out whenever we are
Ma'am,
here
can I ask
because
one
it's
question?
not time. Yes, please ask. Please. If there is any question, please ask.
Yes,
Good
yes, ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we do anything in our life? मैम उसको हम कैसे अचीव करें?
Bharat,
you-
Bharat, can you come on the screen so that I can spotlight you?
Okay,
Bharat,
ma'am.
your question is from what? Me or
Bharat,
Elizabeth, ma'am?
Ma'am, Elizabeth, ma'am.
Yes,
Elizabeth,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can do when you believe. But the only thing is you have to be alongside of your purpose, because there is no point doing things that is outside your purpose. So if you have dream it and you believe it, then you can do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Two more things, Bharat, I would like to add here.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
are three things. Okay, one is believe in yourself, trust in your potential, in your teachers, in your parents, or whomsoever is guiding you. Any source, trust in them. And then, above all, faith in God. These three things, if you have, you can achieve anything, whatever you want.
Yes.
So go with it. See, the miracle will work for you.
Thanks, ma'am.
You know, let me also add this to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
My favorite scripture in the Bible says, and that is what I have hold on to. That is what my business is based on. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength.
Thanks, ma'am.
So every day you need to say, I can, I will, and I must. Miracle will come to you.
That's
Okay?
it.
Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Wonderful. Now, coming back very quickly, there are two things which I would like to ask before ending the session to Dr. Elizabeth first and then to Ragni ma'am. Dr. Elizabeth, we would like to know, like, how did you feel when you were first featured in any of the magazine or news? How did you react? How did you feel or respond? We would like to see that on your face with your laughter. Great. Wonderful.
Actually, my first one was a couple of years ago, I think. But I just busted into tears
Okay.
because it was like a dream. I mean, it's like I was watching a film, and then and then they even drop it in my doorsteps, my local where I live, and then they drop this magazine. I didn't expect it. These are white people from UK. I don't know them. And they just drop it in my doorstep, this lovely, beautiful magazine. Wow, my name, my picture. Wow. And I just busted into tears. And
I love your expressions. I love your, because they're all real. When things happen, all of a sudden we have a shine, we have a spark in our eyes, we have lots of tears in our eyes, and that's what you did right now.
Yeah.
That's wonderful, beautiful.
Excuse
And
me. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
good afternoon, good evening, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Now,
Ma'am, I need your permission to ask some questions to Elizabeth, ma'am.
Yeah.
If you
yes,
permit
yes,
me.
please. Sure,
Ma'am,
sure,
as
sure.
it's our pleasure and the grateful of listening such a experience on these platforms. And our ma'am Ragini Bhatnagar also tell us experiences of our life. So I want to ask a question that for making the permanent experiences of getting such experiences from your side, how can we make our moral and the motivation high at the all time? We are only by listening the videos, we can only have to maintain only a temporary motivation. But how can be able to make a permanent motivation how can we develop our inner motivation? So it's our pleasure if you can answer this.
Is it for Dr. Raji or is it for me?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
it's
Anyone can answer. Yes, Dr. Elizabeth, what's your view about it?
Right. Yes, I really appreciate this question because every one of us, we don't need to wait for somebody else. We don't need to wait for somebody else sometimes to motivate us. Sometimes they will be available, sometimes they might not be available. But let me give you 2 or 3 tips. Number 1, pray to God. Every morning, pray to God. Because immediately you pray to God, you will receive strength. Then the second one is affirmation or confessing it. So like me, every morning, even while I'm walking, I'm jogging, I'm saying to myself, I can do it. I can do it. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. So you need to be saying it to yourself and be doing whatever, even if you are cooking or anything. Because what you repeatedly saying will stay in your mind. And that is what you will act on. So you keep talking it, you keep saying it to yourself. I can be healed. I can receive it. I can do it. So you keep repeating it. Any challenges that come your way, use the positive words. Use the positive words against it. So if they tell you that you cannot rise, that possible will say, I can rise above my situation, I can rise up, I can do this, I can do it, I will do it, I must do it. So it's like you talk it, write it down and start repeating it. You can even write it on the paper, type it nicely in your computer, print it out and place it near your bed, so that when you wake up, that's the words reminding you, and then you say it. So that's the second one. Then the third one, meditate. Meditate on good things. Always meditate on good things. If you are a Muslim, meditate on your Quran. If you are a Christian, meditate on what God says in the Bible. I think I've answered that question.
Yes, good.
very thank you.
Agreed. And
It's our pleasure. Thank you.
Ragini ma'am,
Ma'am,
I would like
another question also.
Ragini ma'am, just a minute, please. Ragini ma'am,
Yes.
I would like to ask you, when first you come about your lung,
Chanchali, please
Ma'am,
unmute
please unmute
yourself.
yourself.
Ragini ma'am, I would be, pleased to hear from you about the time when you came to know this dreadful disease, lung cancer,
Yes.
how did you react towards it? How had you taken it forward that yes, you are going to beat it, defeat it at any cost and won over it? How have you done that?
Yes, this is a very good question. What I realized that time, I was shocked because symptoms was not there. Doctor told me that the pollution is there. No symptoms was there. So then I decided. Everybody was telling me suggestions. Lot of suggestions came to me. बहुत सारे लोग मुझे सलाह देने लग गए कि अब तो मेरे कीमो होगा और मेरे को तो बिस्तर पे लेटना पड़ेगा और everything will be going to end. Because it was just declared like third stage that time when I just knew about that. But whatever I felt like this that time कि नहीं मुझे ना हॉस्पिटल जाना है और ना मुझे कोई कीमो लेनी है. And one thing I just kept in mind, I just succeed to just convince my family also. Because सबको यही रहता है कि कीमो कराना है तभी ये ठीक हो पाएगा. पर मैंने अपनी फैमिली को कन्विंस किया and then I said कि देखते हैं. And it was done. अब मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. My last CT scan was there. Now I am all right. Only from Ayurved, simple Ayurved, and my gratitude, my self affirmation. It is only my, just you can say, medicine for me, and it is working. I am fully completely energetic and all.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Very, Ragini ma'am, this is a practical message to all of us that beyond science, there is your strong will, there is your passion to live this life. It is your choice. How do you take things? That is your choice. And we all are our choices. So that's the reason you see whether Dr. Elizabeth or Ragini ma'am, whatever they spoke, there they are determined that yes, they can, they must. And that's the reason they have fought the battle of their struggle. And today you can see where they are. They are talking to us. They are telling us about their life, a story which is full of struggles, but they have overcome them. Now we are about to end our session, and since there is Bharat Goyal, quickly you can ask your question. I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
Bharat Goyal, you want to ask one more question, please?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
we need to end our session. Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Tell
what
me.
is the one step I can take right now to move closer to my goal?
Ragini ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ragini ma'am.
Bharat
if
Goel
you
is
want to answer.
Ma'am,
yeah,
Ragini
he's
ma'am.
very intelligent student of my school, Bharat. Bharat, you are
Yes.
already motivated. I know you are motivated already. What you are doing, he is very curious about everything. Every 5 minutes, he asks question in the class. So keep motivating yourself, Bharat. And you are really
Thank you, ma'am.
very good. But try to just improve yourself. Okay,
Okay,
Bharat?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Palak.
Ma'am, can I also ask a question?
Palak, very quickly you need to ask because we are running short of time.
Okay,
Come
ma'am.
on, ask. Yes, please.
When we are getting success in our life, some people are that we are motivating us, and some like demotivating us. So how do we face these type of problems in our life?
If it is a question to me, then I can answer you very well here. Like we have two legs, when we have two legs, our one leg, when we put forward, another is to be at back, right? So these way, there are two people. There are different type of people. One will be pushing you, another will be pulling you. Now it's your will, your passion, whether you bounce back or you just fall or stop yourself. All is up to you. If you have seen the athlete, see before starting what they do. They take a position Have you seen them? They take a position. And who takes right position, who takes a right direction, and who runs with a right speed will be the winner. So these are the three things which you have to take care. Never ever think about push or pull. People would be there always in our lives. Those who are going to push you or pull you. But the real winner is you. That is there inside you. You need to bounce back. Those who are pushing you, bounce. Those who are pulling you, bounce back with a greater hit and see what will happen. You leap 3 steps forward to them. Any input from Ragini ma'am or Elizabeth ma'am to her? Palak, to Palak?
Yes, Elizabeth ma'am, please tell. Because they used to listen me. I want that you have to just tell. Tejaswini.
I don't, yes. Please unmute yourself. Dr. Elizabeth, please unmute yourself.
Okay. Sorry for my laughing. I can't stop laughing because we are enjoying ourselves in this place. Just to quickly support the gentleman that is asking that question. My sister, everyone have answered the right questions, and I'll just flow with it. Let me just tell you this, like my sister have said it now. There is negative thoughts. There is positive thoughts. The same thing will happen to people around you. Some are negative, some are positive. But you have the power right inside of you to choose the right or the positive ones. Who cares about other people's opinions? When you start having that in your mindset to say, they can talk. So it's either you learn from them or you ignore it. So you don't have to live your life based on their opinion. Your life is unique already. God created you. Your life is so special already. And you have greatness in you. You have the power in you. So you have the power to make that decision who you will listen to. Even in the Bible, it says, whose reports are you going to believe? Will you believe the report of others? Or you will believe the report of God that created you? So I want you to just look at it that way and say, you know what? I will rather make the decision from my own heart. Be you, be yourself, and choose the right thing from your heart. I believe I've answered that question. Hello, am I still here?
Chanchal ma'am,
I think there is some technical glitch again on her part.
Okay.
All right. In the meanwhile, I'll just share the felicitation. Now is the time for felicitation. And it was wonderful inputs, Dr. Elizabeth. You are an amazing personality. I think it's too less a time to be with you. So I would love to hear you once again, wherever possible. I would look forward to it. Because there are many platforms on which we meet, but definitely I would love to hear you more. And yes, Ragini ma'am is always you can say always there to support us. So in future also, I would be listening to you all more.
Thank you.
So let me, in the meanwhile, these coming, let me just share the felicitation.
If you just allow me to leave now.
Yeah, with just just 2 to 3 minutes more. We are just closing with this.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is for you, Elizabeth ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Because we cannot express it. This is just too little a thing, but yes, gratitude and appreciation is for you, Dr. Elizabeth Lucas, for contributing to your valuable time and what lovely inputs you have given here. Thank you so much for being here. And I think we must
Thank you
all
so
clap for her. Everybody, please, you can come on the screen and clap for Dr. Elizabeth. Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I would request you to please, Dr. Elizabeth, please felicitate Ragini, ma'am.
Okay. I want to appreciate Mrs. Ragina for these occasions of you giving us a powerful words of wisdom. We want to appreciate you with this certificate, and we want to say on behalf of all the teachers, you are a star. You are the best for every one of us, and you are imparting into our lives. And without you, teachers, we cannot be where we are.
Yes.
So you are the one that God has sent to us to discover ourselves and also to develop us. So I want to praise you, I want to bless you, and I want to present this certificate to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And lastly, ma'am, for me, Dr. Elizabeth.
Hello. Hello, Miss Ina Sheikh. Ina Sheikh. Did I get that the other one right? Shai?
Yeah, it's Singh.
Okay, Singh. Okay. I want to present this certificate to you, Mrs. Ina Singh, for your great works that you are doing in your area and all over the world. You are so wonderful. You are so special. You are so unique that nobody can copy you. Nobody can duplicate you. So on behalf of this organization, I want to present this certificate to you. Yes, this is a certificate, but from our heart. From our heart, we are presenting it to you. So
Thank you so much. I think it was a great conversation, and thank you, Ragini ma'am and Dr. Elizabeth, for giving such a lovely time to us. And I think to all the audience, I think Chanchal ma'am is not able to join us because of some technical glitch, but on her behalf and on my behalf, I would love to say thank you to everybody here, to Ragini ma'am, to Dr. Elizabeth, and also to all the audience present here on Zoom, as well as on the social media who are observing us and watching this program. Thank you so much. And again, we are coming up tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock. Thank you so much, everybody.
And
And
tomorrow,
bye-bye.
11 o'clock.
Yes.
And tomorrow 11 o'clock.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am, bye.
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 Thank you all everyone.
Bye.
Thank you for inviting.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.